Hi friends, here we see the first unit, that is basic of fluid power and pumps. First there is an introduction of fluid power in hydraulic. In hydraulic, there is a first circuit. First, this is a tank. In it there is a oil, hydraulic oil. Here is a filter. Then next, here is a pump. Here is the driving mains. Then next, there is a pressure control. Then there is a directional control valve. Okay. Then there is a piston cylinder assembly. This is cylinder. Then this is a piston. This is a piston rod. Towards load, it will move from left to right or right to left. After that, this is connection of double acting cylinder, that is inlet and outlet. Then the flow will go to the tank. This is oil. Now we see here working. First there is a filter. In this, oil get filter to the system so that there is no disturbance in process. Then there is a pump. In this pump, the pressurized oil is flow to the all this system through driving means example, there should be a motor. Then this is a pressure control, means the excess pressure in the system, in piston cylinder assembly system, the excess pressure will remove in pressure control valve. Then there is a directional control valve. In the direction control valve, there is flow of direction to the system or to the cylinder, double acting cylinder or single acting cylinder. Okay. Then this flow goes to the, this is a cap end and this is a rod end, or we can say the side of piston. Through cap end, oil flows through cap end to rod end. Then piston will move to cap end to rod end, or left side to right side. And the oil present at rod end will go through the direction control through the tank. Okay. This is a figure of typical hydraulic system. Okay. Now next we will see the pneumatic system. Pneumatic system. In pneumatic system, first there is a from atmosphere air, then there is a air compressor, then there is a pressure control valve, then there is a filter, then there is a regulator, then there is a lubricant, or lubrication, the lubricator, then there is a direction control valve, then there is a piston cylinder assembly, okay, and this, then there is a atmosphere, to atmosphere, okay. Here is a piston, cylinder, and this is a piston rod. Now pneumatic system I will explain. Here is from atmospheric air. Atmospheric air enters through the air compressor, which compress the air through the system or send air to the system. This is a pressure control. If the excess pressure in the system will remove from the pressure control, then there is a filter here, filter which neglects the filter which remove the dust particles from the air. Then there is a regulator. In this regulator, it is used for regulator to regulate the speed of system. Then lubricant is required for the processing, which does not affect on system. Then there is a direction control that gives the flow to the system in required direction. Then there is a double acting cylinder, piston cylinder assembly. This is a inlet and outlet. We say here cap end and rod end. Then air enters to the cap end. It will move towards left and right, so that the air present at rod end will go through direction control valve to the atmosphere. Okay, thank you for watching this video.